Hello everyone, welcome to company review session. Myself Srijita, currently pursuing postgraduate diploma from Management in Shivashivan Institute of Management. I am today in this session. I'm going to give review on Wipro company. Let's get started. Why I selected Wipro means it is one of the greatest name in history of technology from selling Vanaspati to become one of the largest IT sector in world. I am providing well equipment standard products for society. And one thing I came to know that Wipro has always been the first place to take up any CSR initiatives. I move to the next slide. History of the company. It was incorporated in 29 December 1945 by Mohammed Premji as Western India Palm Refined Oil Limited. It was initially set up as a manufacturer of vegetable and refined oil under the trade name of Kisan, Sunflower and Camel. After the death of Mohammed Premji, Azim Premji became the chairman in the year 1966. During the year 1970s and 1980s, the company shifted to focus to new opportunities in IT and computing industry. On 7th June 1977, the name of the company from Western India Vegetable Product Limited changed to Wipro Product Limited. Again, in the year 1982, the name of the company from Wipro Products Limited changed to Wipro Limited. And moving to the next slide. Company profile. Formerly is known as Western India Palm Refined Oil Limited. Type public. Traded as BSE 507685 NSE Wipro NYSE WIT and NSE Nifty Constituent. Industry is a conglomerate and founded in the year 1945 December 29 and the owner Ajim Premji. Headquarters Sajapur Road, Bangalore, Karnataka, India. Key server worldwide and the key people. Rishad Prem is the chairman and CEO developer CEO. Revenue rupees 63,860.260 is a crores as per the US dollar 9.0 million in 2020 and net income is rupees 9,722.30 crores as per US dollar 1.4 million in 2020 and the number of employees are 1,75,000 as per 2020 and the websites are www.wipro.com and moving to that board of directors. Rishad Prem is the chairman, Ajim Premji is the founder chairman, Thierry Delaport is the chief executive officer and MD, and Irena Vittel is the director. Coming to the brand identity, in 2017, Wipro changed a new logo, the four circles, which represent the Wipro values, employees, clients, and partners and communities. And moving to the next slide, vision to serve customer with integrity through innovation, values for money, solution by applying thoughts day after day, and mission to offer service based on world-class infrastructure industry and expert skills, proven process oriented to serve operations that are based by the principle to ensure the world's best way of delivering IT infrastructure management solution. Moving to the next slide, Wipro Group of Companies. In 2013, Wipro separated its 9 non-IT group of business and formed privately owned Wipro Enterprises. And the Wipro Enterprises Limited caters Wipro Infrastructure Engineering and Consumer Care and Lighting. Under Wipro Limited, it has two segments. One is Wipro Technology and other one is Wipro Infotech. And moving to the next slide, these are the products and services of the Wipro. Coming to the Wipro Technologies, Wipro Limited is a global information technology consulting and outsourcing company. It is an Indian based in software technology service provider that targets the global market. And coming to the Wipro Infotech, it is a leading provider of IT and business transformation service. It serves the customers in India through a network of 22 offices and 170 service and 10 locations across the country. And next, moving to the WCCLG, it's a Wipro Consumer Care Lighting. It is the fastest FMCG company in India, Asia, and Africa. During this pandemic, under this segment, it launches an anti-germ liquid detergent fabric and conditioner. And under the Wipro Care, it launches a fast-track launch of healthcare-related products today. WCCLG has a global workforce of 8,300 serving over the 40 countries. And moving to the next, Wipro Infrastructure Engineering. It is the largest independent hydraulic cylinder manufacturer in the world. It delivering around 2 million cylinders to OEMs in different geographies and it has a workforce over 1700. And moving to the next slide. Coming to the competitors, For Wipro Limited, TCS, Cognizant Technology Solution, HUL Technologies, Infosys Limited are its competitors. For Wipro, WCCLG, ITC, HUL, Godrej Group, Dabar are its competitors. For Wipro Infrastructure Engineering, Kalyani Group, Spirax Agro Engineering, Scott Industrial System, and Service Firms and Supply its competitors. And moving to the next slide, SWOT analysis. Coming to the strain, having the presence of diversified geographical locations and having the diversified customer base with strong research and development and having the strong skilled manpower. And coming to the weakness, lack of scale and high reliance on foreign markets and lack of consumer durable engineering products. Coming to the weakness, coming to the opportunities, IT sector is booming and increasing number of sets and STPs. Coming to the weakness, coming to the threats, diversification of other multinational companies which is unrelated, and there is also having the intensive competition. And moving to the next slide, Porter's five forces more. Threat of new entrants. There was little bit threat of entrants because though there was a new ways of doing things and putting the pressure on Wipro Limited through with low prices strategy and reducing cost and providing with a new value proposition to its customer, and bargain power also high, and the bargain power of buyers also high because there was a lot of demand and there was a lot of demand and the customer wants to buy the product with discounted rates, and threat of substituents. These products also high because the products or service which are if the expectation met to the if the expectation met the customers, if they threat of substituted, the products and services meet the similar customer needs in different ways and industrial profitability. And travel is also high because it operates is a very competitive IT service industry. This leads to overall profitability of the organization. This Porter's five forces is a framework for analyzing for any company to analyze its competitive environment. And moving to the next slide. Financial information. These are some of the key financial ratios. If you observe from the past years, there was increase in the current ratio, quick ratio, debt equity ratio. If current ratio and quick ratio, if there is a greater than one, this is a good sign to the company, which means there is a less risk involved to the company. And there was also increasing in the inventory turnover ratio from past 2018 to 2020. It tells that companies having the good amount of sales and replacing its inventory during financial year. A higher inventory turnover ratio indicates more efficient and profitable firm, which means companies holding the low average inventory with respect to its sales. I'm going to the next slide. These are the revenue from operations. From the past years, there was increase in the gross margin and total revenue. At the same time, there was increase in the total expenses and profit after tax, and there was increase in the EPS. And moving to the next slide, share price. This is the trading share price of Wipro. BSE is 507685 and NSE is Wipro. These are the share prices of the Wipro. If you observe, the yesterday share price, opening share price of Wipro is approximately 203 or 293 or 20 nearly 295, and the closing price is approximately 307 or 309. And moving to the next slide. CSR activities. Wipro. This is initiative started in the year 2003 because this initiative is to deal with the social forestry disaster rehabilitation are some of the projects under this initiatives. And coming to the Ashraya Kriti, it is an initiative to integrate the school and the children with the disability and normal children under underprivileged section of the society. And Arogya Jyoti is the maternal child wellness measures and services and not on importing knowledge and understanding the about the good health and hygiene practices. And Wipro applying thought it is an initiative to improve the quality education in school. And moving to the next slide. Awards and recognition. Features are featured in Blooming Gender Equality Index 2020. Wipro has received a score of 90 out of 100 on 2020 corporate equity, and Wipro won 7 awards, including the Best Manager IT Service and Best System Integrated in CIO Choice Award 2015 in India. Thank you.